Step by step, we moved forward to our dream: the creation of a new modern electronics manufacturing site. We have thought through every detail to ensure that our customers receive high-quality products that meet international standards. A new reality is born here. This reality is created by the IKT Electronics team. High-end equipment, controlled working environment, and expertise of the qualified personnel transform the soulless components into a living organism of an electronic device. Technological capabilities of our production complex allow us to fulfill projects of the highest complexity. Each stage of the manufacturing process is controlled by the competent specialists. We offer our customers a full complex of works on the production of modern electronics equipment with a wide range of use, from the simplest household appliances to aerospace products. The electronics manufacturing services company IKT Electronics is the place where your ideas will come true. Let's make a step to success together.